Namaskar, very good evening to all of you. I am Nitin and this is being my the first and not the last one, wherein I am not going to teach you the English anymore, right? The purpose to build this institution is to make the people aware, to create the awareness among the people who have been visiting many other platforms to learn the English or the other language apart from English, to the other institutes where I've been living in the West Delhi of India, right? So where I used to be in access to a good number of institutes where I have found that whenever I visit, I found that people are opening the books. Why? My dear friend, why? And I used to listen. Whenever I see the people out over there, people are learning from the books. No, this is a very wrong practice, my dear friend. If somebody is asking you that to teach the English from the basic level, learning the tenses and all, they are not teaching you the tenses. They are teaching you the tensions. So the basic thing is that, which is being the primarily and fundamentally for the people who want to start from the scratch level. जिन्होंने नीचे से शुरू करना है, तो please avoid grammar at the beginning. As if now at the age of 40, I'm learning French, and now I have now I require to learn the principles of grammar. We all are quite well-fine graduates or might be graduated, pass out from the English schools and the government school. Even I am pass out from the government school. And those who look at this video, even my friend, my acquaintances, they will definitely astonished that how this guy is been speaking and who has. Because I truly believe that there has to be some, the galvanization, the encouragement, it should always come from the inside. There are a number of institutes, there are a number of life coaches would be there. I have listened to Sandeep Maheshwari, I have listened to Sonu. But they all are fine, very excellent. And I appreciate that. मुझे बोलना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बात वीडियो देखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, how the people are doing. But the moral of their every video is that practice, my dear friend. And I have been very, very gobsmacked, which has been highly the influential word of the astonishing, surprising, where the people will say, learning the Arabic in 3 minutes, learning the French in 3 minutes. How could it be possible? कैसे हो सकता है यार? How will it be possible? That means they are making fool of you, right? And we are putting likes just to generate their revenues. I know, even I am also developing this video for some reasons. Nobody is sparing their time for no rhyme or reasons. But my dear friend, the morale of every life coach, if you see these two persons to him I admire in my lecture, is that Sonu and this Sandeep Maheshwari, because only perfect. Everyone says no one is perfect. Rather than saying no one is perfect, always says, sir, I am perfectly imperfect. That's the way. When I am teaching my students, not an online video, when I get accessing physically to me, I used to talk with them. I never used to be in a very lavish clothes and all, or a fancy drawing rooms and all, right? When I'm in my homespun clothes, I used to wear my pajamas, even because I haven't teach any female gender yet. So and even I'm learning French, right? So there is no point of accessing to the internet. There are so many things which you can learn online. There is no point of moving around out over there, my dear friends. It's all about the game of your practice, how you develop your communication. As I said, the police has made a dictionary in 30 years. So how can you eliminate zero and say in 3 minutes you can learn the whole English, you can learn the whole. Even I used to be at the age of 40 and I've been in the profession of customer service industry. Right, I used to have a very good convincing and influencing power to convince the customers when it comes to the customer convincing part. Right, but even I back on that. I can debunk, I can challenge anyone, I can refute anyone in this aspect. No one can teach you in 3 minutes. For me, it will take another 8 years of time to learn the English. And whenever you are learning any language, you don't need to. आपको खाली language नहीं पढ़नी. You don't have to learn the language only. मैं हिंदी इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. It's because this video is for particularly for everyone. The people who are deprived, who cannot pay the money to the institutions, right? The fancy institutions or the normal one. It's simply बेटा आप पढ़िए. When the people telling you to learn the grammar, don't listen to that crap. मेरे पास जो भी बच्चे आते हैं, whenever the people access to me, I used to ask them, please put your grammar books aside first of all. That's the best way to do things. There are so many things. There are so many techniques. It's all about language learning is a science. So this is my first video where I am teaching you. I used to be in the customer service industry for almost 12 years. Still, I have been working in a different domain, and moreover, I used to interview the people wherever I interview the people. They're coming from UP, Bihar, Haryana, from the different states, even from the Delhi itself, right? So whenever I'm taking the interview, they all have a parrot voice which says, "Sir, may I have your name?" We go in the parrot fashion. Sir, myself, Christian. I'm in graduate. My father is a farmer, and so and so, blah blah blah. This is again a wrong practice. So what I do, I simply break that channel. I never ask them about their backgrounds. I come up with a professional history. Right? Tell me something about your family background. Because the name is already in your resume, so there is no point of asking you the resume. If somebody is asking you the name, it is already in there. So this is how the people. So every time, every single candidate who has been accessing to me, right? So whenever they say, why do you want to join the call center? They have one word. If out of 100 people, out of 100 faces, when I see the people, they say, sir, this is mushroom. It's a booming industry. अरे यार, booming के बहुत सारे synonyms होते हैं. Why don't you go with that? It's a mushrooming industry. The industry has been expanding. Right? The industry has been expanding so large. They are offering so much of employment opportunities where if one can be stationed out over here, we can learn ample of things out over here. I am from the call center industry, being as a person. And I'm telling you very frankly, people say that I don't want to work in the call centers. I don't want. No, this is a wrong philosophy. Whatever I've learned, I'm from the government school. I'm telling you very candidly, openly, outspokenly. I'm from a government school background. My friends will be watching, my cousins will be watching. I'm not been hiding. It's completely untold. I'm not being used to do the paper over the cracks, right? To multiply the clicks so that I can earn. And I'm telling you very frankly, whatever you do in your life, whosoever is doing, it's all for the money. And today I am also doing, because there is also a motive behind that. There is no free lunch. अगर आपको कोई ऐसा बोल रहा है तो नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. So there are a lot of gurus. India is the market of gurus. You can find ample of them. But when you are being a very fortunate, you find where your mental level is getting matched. Now that is about how the things get work and how to improve your communication ability without accessing to any institutes. My number is 9811966378. I'm repeating, 9811966378. And my email ID is mitkum9@gmail.com. I'm repeating my email ID. N for Netherlands, I for India, T for Tamil Nadu, K for Karnataka, U for Uganda, M for Madras, 9, numeric 9 @gmail.com. You can access to me at any given point of time. I have been able to help you out, right? And I see when I used to publicize a lot on the Facebook earlier also, but I found that platform is not been, it's been a worthy in many aspects, but it doesn't work for me because I posted up once long back before this COVID had taken the place worldwide. It's being a global medical crisis, right? When I told that I'm going to institutionalize the people, those who are deprived, the people from the disadvantaged category. I'm going to give the free education, but still the people are not being accessible. Okay, I'm very much fine with that. But it's from now onwards, you will be getting my regular videos every week, right? So this is just, or you can say a trailer. It's not a trailer, it's just an introductory. I'm Nitin, and even I say I'm belong to a call center and I'm booming industries. Nothing like that, because I'm in the age of 14. There's much of gap between you and me, guys, and but the people who have been much more seniors to me. Definitely, if they have been observing me, I'll express my respect and gratitude to my seniors in terms of the age, in terms of the designations as well. So wherever you go, so if I talk, so in English, I have a completely different curriculum. मैं किसी भी बच्चे को कभी कोई ग्रामर नहीं पढ़ाता हूँ, वो अपने आप सीख जाते हैं विदाउट पुटिंग एनी मच ऑफ एफर्ट्स. आई वोंट टेक मच ऑफ एफर्ट्स, बट आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज लाइक and subscribe if you have an aspirations to move further. See, communication and effectively the English communication is a prominent component which attracts the people. It's like a magnet that pulls the people towards you, right? So, but I found still we in India, when you talk about, forget about the metropolitan cities and all, right? In fact, there also there have been so much of disadvantage which is prevailing out of there. So considering from that perspective, whosoever been interested, I have given you my email ID with my all the contact details. I've seen a lot of videos, the people who have been, the males and the females. मैं आपको ये तरीका बताऊंगा 2 मिनट में, 3 मिनट में, 10 मिनट में, 10 साल मुझे पढ़ते हुए यार कैसे हो जाता है. Even I want to see and I want to know how it will be possible. Today one of my guys is making a video of mine. I'm not a very technically savvy guy, and this guy who's again from a disadvantaged category, right, who's been doing sorting and trading within a margin of salaries, and this guy I really admired, who told me, sir, you develop a channel, because he won't have his channel which is called the Cricket Boss, something like that. So you do there on this because you have this kind of a skills. Thank you so much, Krishna, who's been making my video as if now. So he told me, and you can create a lot of differences among the people who can't afford, right, my dear friend. So next time, when I'm going to launch my next video, it's totally depend upon the technicalities, not about only the English, not all about the culture, about the communication. There are many things to be going on further, but please tear off your grammatical books as if now till the time you want to have an acquaintance with me. Okay, put it aside. Rest, I'll teach you whatever the phrases, the idioms. There are many ways, right? Whatever when I talk about the English, when I talk about Hindi is being very difficult now, very very difficult in comparison to the English. I found it's 60-70 times higher than English. English and French both are cousins. 70% of the words derived from the English. 60% of the words derived from the Latin American language, right? So that is how Latin expressions and all. So I teach you each and everything. But my dear friend, please do not waste your money. Please do not access. I'm not being putting an embargo on you. It's your money, it's your pocket. If you want to access to all those islands of excellence who are giving you that. Where you think that you are getting perfect, it's okay. There are people who are much better than me. I admire Ram Guha. I admire. They are my, they are my real bosses. They are real mentors. Shashi Tharoor, the excellent, the name who doesn't require introduction when it talk about the English communication. So I listen to these people. You don't require any institute, right? You simply require a person who has sympathy, who has a kindness and sort of generosity, and definitely nothing is free in this world. Everything is for money. So even if I am posting this video, I do have some hidden reasons for that. Might be a popularity, might be a fame, might be anything. There could be many multiple reasons on that. And if I do much better, and it depends upon the feedbacks on you guys. So definitely I'll do. But very one thing. मैं अपने लोगों से बोलना चाहूँगा जो कि यूपी से हैं, जो कि बिहार से हैं, जो कि हरियाणा से है या दिल्ली से हैं, मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी, इनको इंग्लिश नहीं आती. इंग्लिश इट्स नॉट इट्स वेरी इजी. But we have, because these institutions have created such kind of a mental setup in your mind. It's a tough language, it's not a tough language. You need to be a perfectly imperfect. ये मत सोचना कि आपने सब कुछ सीख लिया. Every day is a learning. Right? You need to have to learn. But please like and subscribe if you have to have the aspirations. If you have, मैं आपको motivate नहीं करूँगा. I'm not going to motivate you. I'm not a life coach. But there are not many life coaches already presented in the YouTube. You can find it many. I simply read books. I learn a life reading books. The man or only, rather than reading the online platform. There are so many ways. So guys, thank you so much for listening to me. And I hope that my speech is not being make you so bored or monotonous, right? So in the next video, definitely I'll come up with that technicalities and other areas how to acquire the language skills to develop your communication ability. When it comes to the English, when it comes to the French, I'll teach you on that aspect, right? So please. So till the time, we'll meet you. Have a nice time and read as much as you can and access to the social medias and listen to the Ram Guha, Shashi Tharoor, right? Sunita Rao, the editor of the English literature from the Osmania University. I'm not promoting these people. I'm telling you, you will find a difference. Thank you so much and we'll meet you the next time. Thank you so much. Mercy. Mercy means thank you in French. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.